Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Ask Canva in Canva. This is a really helpful feature if you're building designs quickly and don't want to jump back and forth between tools. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Ask Canva button, how to open it, and how to use its suggestions to speed up your design work without leaving your project, which is especially useful when you're creating product graphics, ads, or social content for your Shopify store. Start by opening the project you want to work on in Canva. This could be a product image, a homepage banner, an email graphic, or a social post. Once your design is in front of you, click to select an element on your canvas. An element can be text, an image, a shape, or any object you've placed in your layout, and Ask Canva works best when it has a clear selection to reference. When it's selected, you'll see a context bar appear near the element or along the top. This is where Canva shows quick, relevant tools based on what you've clicked. In that bar, look for the Ask Canva button and click it. A panel or field will pop up with a text box where you can type a prompt, much like chatting with an AI assistant that understands your design context. You'll also see handy suggestions right below the box. These are there to help you start quickly without thinking up a prompt from scratch, which is great if you're short on time. You can choose options like create a caption, change style, or ask for suggestions of improvements, depending on what you're trying to improve or create. Create a caption is perfect when you want short, punchy text for the selected element, like a headline, subheading, or a catchy line for an image. This is especially useful for product highlights or promotional graphics. If you use it on a text box, Ask Canva will consider what's selected and help you craft something that fits the size, purpose, and placement of that element. Change style is useful when your text or overall feel needs a different tone, such as more playful, more professional, or more minimal. This can help you quickly adjust messaging to match your brand voice or the platform you're designing for, like making something more casual for social media or more polished for a presentation. It can propose style adjustments that match the element you've highlighted. Ask for suggestions of improvements is great when you want high-level guidance on what could make the selected part of your design stronger. This might include tips around clarity, balance, emphasis, or readability, helping you spot issues you might overlook when you've been staring at the same design for a while. A helpful tip: the quality of what you get depends on the context you provide. Since Ask Canva looks at the element you selected, make sure you've clicked the item you actually want help with. If you're typing your own prompt, be specific about the result you want, like the tone, length, or audience. For example, you might ask for a short caption in a friendly voice for a product image, or a concise improvement suggestion for a busy text block on a sales slide. That's really all there is to it. Go to your project, select an element, click the Ask Canva button in the context bar, and either type your request or choose one of the suggestions. Create a caption, change style, or ask for suggestions of improvements. Use what it returns to guide your next move, and you'll work faster and more confidently inside your design.